na tunajiunga na hiyo ukumbi kutatua hii shinda ya mashamba. So what we are going to have in addition to the rescue center ni ukumbi wa kutatua shinda ya mashamba hapa. We will correct the data, the history, the evidence from here so that even if the matter is not resolved with an agreement between the disputing parties, then the court can be able to follow from there when the history is recorded by the owners themselves. We have heard all the other requests and we have taken notes. We will follow them. But I'm so happy to be here. This place looks so beautiful. And because I used to be a child farmer, I'm very excited about the farming prospects in this area. I will come back here to see those goats, how they will be doing, the chickens, the cows, because I imagine this area has a lot of potential to really transform the people of Mwakunja. This is not a place where we should be talking about poverty. This is a place where we should be talking about people who are empowered, wazee ambao wanalinda boma zao, wazee ambao wanatupia akina mama pesa. I like that, Your Excellency. Hata mimi ningetaka kutupiwa pesa. Na mzee. But you have wonderful leadership in Mombasa County. I've watched your governor. He is what we call in English, fierce, connected to the people, people-centered. Governor mchapakazi. And he doesn't look stressed. He does it so easily. He does it with a smile. He connects with everybody, the young, the old, the women, the children. So please continue praying for your governor. God to give him more and more energy, like he is already doing, to do more work for Mombasa. So today I'm honored as the Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court to witness the inauguration of Maugunja Resource and Gender-Based Violence Protection Center. And for me, this is a testimony of shared aspiration and collective effort by all of us who have worked together. The people of Maugunja saying no to violence, Sauti ya Kina Mama, Action Aid, USAID, county government, all of it coming out